Alrighty, so here we are with today's car reveal. As I told you guys, I know it's a little bit windy outside, so hopefully this doesn't ruin everything. But here we are with today's car reveal. I bought this car for one main reason, and I'll explain to you guys a little bit later why. But I'll go ahead and turn it around, show you guys what it is. So here we have it. We have a 1996 Toyota 4Runner, four-wheel drive with e-locker, or the locker thing. One of the main reasons I bought this thing, and in pretty good condition to be honest, the only reason why I bought it was because for my YouTube channel moving forward with this whole car thing, not only do I want something fast, but I also want something to get me somewhere outdoors, something like that. So with this thing, I want to go ahead and take it to like camping and learn all of that stuff with camping, going off-roading, you know, just getting through all the stuff that I can't do with the small coupe. So I ended up choosing this, and here it is. So I'll show you guys a little bit of the inside. This thing only has like 190,000 miles on it. So here we are. We got the automatic with the 4x4. What is it called? Like the high-low, low-high. Stock speaker, or stock sound radio and shit, but it's fine. For now I'm just using this whole cassette thing for music, and it seems to work fine sometimes. But here it is. So this thing has 191,000 miles. So for a 4Runner, we already know that's pretty cheap. It's like nothing compared to it. For this thing, the seats, they were all fucked up. They're all ripped up and everything, but they're all fixed up now. So we got this whole thing upholstered, and it seems to be doing good. So we got this whole thing running. Interior dash, everything looks clean, as well as the back. The back seats didn't get done, but that's totally fine. I don't really mind the back seats as long as they're there. For everything else, motor-wise, I'll show you guys in a second. As far as the motor and such, pretty much everything's intact. The cool thing about this car that threw me away was the radiator. It's all brand new. So I definitely had a cop, just because most 4Runners run the old ones, and you always got to keep an eye out for that. The only thing I've done change is the air filter and put in LED lights already. My birthday did come up, so this for me was like a birthday gift. So I got LED lights, which are planted back here. I ended up and went ahead and switched these out just because this one wasn't working. Besides that, engine pretty much stands good. The only problem when I did get it was the axles. One of the axles was leaking. Ah, damn, you can't even see it from here. But one of the axles was leaking down here. One of the clips wasn't on there fully. So as you can see, all that grease was there. That's from the past grease. So that clip right there that you see, that thing is now fully on there, so nothing leaks out, and that's just remaining. So everything pretty much stands. Wheels, I don't mind everything. I just want it all stock. I want to end up building this car the way that, you know, from the ground up. So for me, this was like a big takeaway. I knew a lot of things. I've been researching this car for months. One of the main reasons why I wanted to get it was because one time we went on a Big Bear trip, and it was snowing, and my friend had his truck. He had just gotten it. And so we're like, you know what, fuck it, let's just go. And so we ended up going in his truck, and the Big Bear experience itself was pretty legit. So everything about this car, it's gonna be worth it for what I wanna do. And I'm gonna bring you guys along with it as well. So I'm excited for that. Show you guys really quick something else. Alrighty, so I brought it inside. So as most of you guys know, I also have two dogs. One is my sister's and her boyfriend's, and the other one is my mom's. Well, kind of technically all of ours. All the dogs are ours. So the only reason why I also got this was because room in the back. Let me throw them up and drop that back window down. That's one of the things that I love about this car. Even the new ones, they still have that to this day. So you could drop that back window. Not only that, but also the big takeaway was this right here. So with this one, in order to activate four-wheel drive, apparently most 4Runners, you need to have it either on park or neutral in order to activate four-wheel drive. With this one, you don't have to. You just have it driving, you're coasting, just hit the button and it's already activated. Obviously, if you want to move through gears, you would have to put it through parking or neutral. But besides that, we'll just click the button and it's good to go. Everything on this pretty much clean, you know, just little defects. I mean, the car is pretty old. It's a 1996 Toyota 4Runner. But yeah, 191,000 miles. That's like barely anything for this car. So everything about this car I'm excited for. So you guys will definitely tag along with the whole lift kit, getting either rims, wheels. I think that's pretty much about it. The rest will just be probably camping and such. If we do plan a camping trip, let me know in the comments if you guys would like to come through, or if you guys are not about that, I could make a whole different channel besides that. But yeah, let me know. One of the main reasons why I got this car was because in high school, this was like 4 or 5 years ago, I always thought to myself, reading that one book, Into the Wild, Chris McCandless, he just like goes out and does some like outdoor crazy shit. But I ain't gonna do all that. But with that said, something about like being out in the wild, going out, and like when I was in 6th grade, we went to Palomar Mountain. That was a good trip. It was just, you know, being outdoors, something about it is just fucking nice. It's calming, it's relaxing. And I feel like that's something that people don't really appreciate nowadays. They're just stuck on their goddamn phones, like on it. And really, like being out there, for some reason, something about it is just awesome. So I think that was a big takeaway for this car for me to get it, was because of that reason. Leave a comment, let me know what's the best spot to hit up. We do have a trip planned pretty soon, which we want to go to. Anza Borrego Desert State Park. I've seen a lot about that place and I want to go visit it pretty soon. So let me know what's some good spots to hit up here in California. Other than that, like, what would you guys recommend with like the lift kit, and what you need, basic things to get started for camping? Because that's something I'm definitely going to look into with this car, is looking up camping trips. What do you need? What like, you know, all the recommended stuff, keeping the car basic, nothing too crazy on this. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below, leave a like. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.